Hey guys, welcome back to the RS Fabrication channel. So I do an updated video of my toolbox here at the home garage. Got rid of that Harbor Freight toolbox and picked up this nice Snap-on combo from my dealer. Got it for a good price and can't complain. I guess I'll start up top and show you from there. So up here I got all my Milwaukee Tools, the key to drill and drivers there. So in the first drawer here, just have shitty Cobalt Screwdrivers, and then set of brand new Snap-on hard handle instincts. Haven't used them yet, but next drawer down, got picks, more screwdrivers, more picks. Of course, mostly Snap-on and all high quality brands. Got some long ones in the back. Next drawer, got Snap-on 14.4 tools, some flashlights there. So impacts, screw guns, drills, flashlights, some terminal tools, little 14.4 polisher prep tool. Next drawer down, they're just SK hex bit sockets, some Cenex 1/2 inch shallow impacts and SAE, and Cenex 3/8 impact kit, that's all metric. And in the middle cabinet here, got pliers, more pliers, more pliers, and more pliers. And this is my socket drawer. I got Snap-on 3/8 metric set. Oh no, sorry, that's 1/4 inch. And then that's the Snap-on 3/8 metric set. And got standard hex bit 10mm set from Gear Wrench. Ratchets, more ratchets. Those are 3/8 standard, and more ratchets. Then those are all Snap-on 1/2 inch metric, shallow and deeps. And start over here in the skinny drawers. Just get the Snap-on super shallow set there. These are just some Snap-on foam trays. This was a 2-piece ratchet set. This was the extension set that came in a nice foam. Those are now in my Vito Pro Pack for doing 12-volt work out in the field. And here I got all my random ratchets and tons of extensions. And in this drawer, this is all mostly stuff I use for working on chainsaws and whatnot. These are grips for a Husqvarna T540. One of the little climbing saws. Then in this drawer, this is a Williams 1/4 inch set, SAE and foam. Underneath I just get more random metric sockets and crow's feet and such. Next drawer down, this is all like Genelux vice grips, punches, chisels, snap ring set there. So next drawer down from that, this is a thread restorer kit. Underneath that I just have all like grinders and metalworking tools, abrasives and such. Now starting over on this bank, first drawer, these are all my standard wrenches. So I got the Snap-on flank drive set, some gear wrenches, some just mismatched Craftsman and Mac wrenches. These are the Snap-on midget wrenches that came with this set, and just some odd and end wrenches there. And the next drawer down, got the Snap-on 15-degree offset metric double end wrenches with the both ends being just box wrench. Got the regular Snap-on metric wrenches, and just gear wrenches and assorted wrenches, all metric. Next drawer down, these are all Snap-on Mac, and I think maybe one Cornwell. These are angle wrenches for doing hydraulic work. They go from, I want to say 7/16 all the way up to 1.5 inches. So, real nice set to have. And next drawer down, this is a set of Snap-on metric 4-way angle wrenches. Again, like that next drawer up. And those go from, I believe, 9mm up to 27. And these are Snap-on adjustables. And just some random proto adjustables and bigger wrenches. Next drawer down, you get pry bars, random hammers, and then screwdrivers I use for prying on stuff. And of course these orange ones are Snap-on. Next drawer down from that, got a lot of 1/2-inch sockets, you know, an SAE. Brand new set of Snap-on 1/2-inch extensions. It's a Snap-on wire insertion tool, brand new, haven't used it yet. And just 1/2-inch ratchets, old Snap-on torque wrench and stuff. And the last drawer is just an empty one. Still haven't found anything to put in there, but I'll probably be getting more in the future. So guys, hope you liked the quick video here of the tour of my Snap-on box at home. When I get my new box at work, which will be coming in the end of the month, I have to organize my current tools into that one, and you'll probably get a video of all that. So that one will be a real good video. Of course, at work, I work in an amusement park now, so I have a huge Snap-on box there full of Snap-on tools and DeWalt power tools. So definitely have to look forward to that. Alright, see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe for more.